Luxor. Weekend forecast is next on News Center.
And coming up a little later, how a lobster marketing idea landed two main
Luxor.
brothers a national award.
Right now, get 2.9% Sierra, Yukon, and Denali. 5 years, 100,000-mile warranty, and 2.9% financing can save you thousands on TM certified Sierra, Yukon, and Denali. Visit us on the web at WeareTMC.com. At Weird TMC, we are TM certified.
Jumping up?
Around here, there's something most evident. And if you're looking for a word, you shouldn't have to
Luxor.
one extra moment. That's why at Fairpoint,
Hey.
we're committed to keeping you
Hey.
connected to every end in the world that you need to reach.
Meow, meow, meow. Stoli, want a toy?
Answers to your questions. And
Want a toy?
to know how important it is to keep you in touch. And should there ever be a friend?
News Center weather is brought to you by Bangor Savings Bank, where you can enjoy free ATMs worldwide.
More glorious sunshine today. Joe Kupo is here now to head through the weekend.
I gotta tell you though, I had my irrigation system yesterday,
Oh,
so
yeah?
they have to run it and the water comes up. And I swear I heard the grass. Some rain, it's dry out there. There's no rain in the forecast for tomorrow. More sunshine. A bit cooler than today, especially along the coast. Sunday there might be a few morning showers, but I'll tell you, don't hold your breath. It looks like maybe Tuesday's our best bet for any significant rainfall. Until then, hang in there, grass. Right now it's 51 in Portland, relative humidity 54%. The wind's blowing around that high, setting up that southerly flow, which kept it nice and cool along the coast today. Portland topped out at 60 degrees after low of 37. Look at 66 after low of 34. And as is usually the case, the warmest temperatures in situations such as this in New Hampshire, even now, Russ Humphreys is 54 in Littleton, Sonny Berman is 54 degrees.
Can I have a nap? Can I have a nap? Let go. Okay, don't let go.
Along the coast in the 50s, even some 40s in Rockland and Bar Harbor, and Augusta still clinging to 60.
Bangor Savings Bank. We give you solutions you need, not products you need. Bangor Savings Bank. You want more. A familiar neighbor is traveling down a better road, announcing the Clearway menu from Berlin City. Clearway tells you everything you need to know.
See? I can't rip it away because he's got his paw on it. Did he have that stuck in his mouth? Okay, that's good. Stop. Stop. Let go. Let go. my finger. There we go.